Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly evolving. Machines are now capable of performing tasks that once seemed exclusive to humans. They can recognize faces, translate languages, and even diagnose diseases. This progress sparks both excitement and concern. We are entering an age where machines can seemingly think, but can they understand right from wrong? Can AI ever be truly moral? Today's AI excels at processing information and making logical decisions based on data. However, it lacks the capacity for genuine moral reasoning. AI systems operate on algorithms and pre-programmed rules. They don't possess emotions, empathy, or an inherent sense of ethics. This raises profound questions about the future of AI and its role in our lives. The challenge lies in bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and moral consciousness. Can we program machines to understand the nuances of human values and act ethically in complex situations? Or will AI always be limited by its artificial nature, incapable of genuine moral understanding? Morality, at its core, is about making judgments about right and wrong. It guides our actions, shapes our values, and defines our relationships with others. Moral actions consider the well-being of others and strive to minimize harm. They often involve empathy, compassion, and a sense of fairness. For humans, moral development is a complex process shaped by upbringing, culture, and personal experiences. We learn moral principles from our families, communities, and societies. We develop empathy by understanding the perspectives and emotions of others. This intricate interplay of nature and nurture shapes our moral compass. AI, in its current form, lacks this fundamental human experience. It operates on a different plane, devoid of the emotional and social contexts that shape human morality. This difference poses a significant hurdle in developing AI systems capable of understanding and acting morally in a way that aligns with human values. Current AI systems are powerful tools for processing information and making data-driven decisions. They excel in tasks like playing chess, recognizing patterns, and optimizing complex processes. These systems operate on algorithms, which are sets of instructions that dictate their actions based on the input they receive. Consider a self-driving car, a prime example of AI in action. It uses sensors and algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules. However, its decisions are based on pre-programmed rules and calculations, not on moral considerations. If faced with a dilemma like choosing between two unavoidable accidents, the car's decision would be based on minimizing damage, not on ethical judgments about the value of human life. This highlights the fundamental difference between AI's current capabilities and true moral reasoning. The idea of programming morality into machines is a complex and controversial one. One approach involves instilling AI with ethical rules or principles. For example, we could program self-driving cars to prioritize human life above all else. However, translating abstract moral principles into concrete algorithms is fraught with challenges. Human ethics are nuanced and context-dependent. What constitutes the right action can vary depending on the situation and cultural perspectives. Moreover, even if we could program AI with a set of moral rules, what happens when these rules conflict? How would an AI system resolve ethical dilemmas that require judgment, intuition, and an understanding of human emotions? Section 5. The Dilemma of Conflicting Ethics. The challenge of programming morality into AI becomes even more apparent when we consider conflicting ethical principles. For example, the principle of do no harm is a cornerstone of medical ethics. However, situations may arise where minimizing harm to one person could potentially harm another. Imagine an AI system designed to allocate scarce medical resources during a pandemic. Should it prioritize patients with the highest chance of survival, even if it means denying treatment to others? Such decisions involve complex moral trade-offs that are difficult even for humans to navigate. Programming AI to make such judgments raises significant ethical concerns. Who gets to decide which moral principles take precedence? How do we ensure that AI systems don't perpetuate existing biases or discriminate against certain groups? Section 6. Philosophical Perspectives on AI Morality. Philosophers have long grappled with the nature of morality and consciousness. Two prominent ethical frameworks, deontology and utilitarianism, offer different perspectives on how AI might approach moral decision-making. Deontology, championed by Immanuel Kant, emphasizes universal moral rules and duties. A deontological AI might be programmed to follow predetermined ethical guidelines regardless of the consequences. Utilitarianism, advocated by John Stuart Mill, focuses on maximizing overall happiness and minimizing suffering. A utilitarian AI might prioritize actions that lead to the greatest good for the greatest number of people, even if it means violating certain rules. These philosophical frameworks highlight the complexities of defining and implementing moral behavior, even in the context of artificial intelligence. Section 7. The future of moral machines. As AI continues to advance, so too will the debate about its moral implications. Some experts believe that AI has the potential to enhance human morality by providing unbiased data and insights to inform ethical decision-making. Imagine AI systems assisting judges in making fairer sentencing decisions, or helping doctors develop personalized treatment plans that consider both medical efficacy and patient values. However, others caution against placing too much trust in AI, especially when it comes to matters of morality. They argue that AI systems lacking genuine understanding and empathy could perpetuate existing biases or make decisions that conflict with human values. Section 8. Can AI ever truly be moral? The question of whether AI can ever be truly moral remains a subject of ongoing debate. Some believe that as AI becomes more sophisticated, it will inevitably develop some form of moral consciousness. They point to the possibility of AI systems learning from vast amounts of data about human behavior, values, and ethical principles. Perhaps through this learning process, AI could eventually develop its own sense of right and wrong. However, others argue that true morality is inherently tied to the human experience, our emotions, relationships, and shared understanding of the world. They believe that AI, no matter how advanced, will always lack the essential qualities that make us moral beings. Section 9. A moral reckoning for humanity. The development of AI presents humanity with a profound moral reckoning. As we create machines capable of increasingly complex decision-making, we must confront fundamental questions about the nature of morality, consciousness, and what it means to be human. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. The responsibility lies with us to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that aligns with our values and serves the betterment of humanity. The journey toward creating truly moral machines is ultimately a journey of self-reflection. It compels us to examine our own ethical principles, confront our biases, and strive to create a world where both humans and machines can coexist ethically and responsibly.